Greetings from Grisslinge, Havsbad on this 17th of July. Wonderful evening over here and another beach adventure with Chris. So let's check out the sea as I have already measured, and it is 21 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea. And yes, it is quite a nice sandy beach in Värmdö, and it's very easy accessible with public transport, 25 minutes bus ride from Slussen. And you can see there is a wonderful jetty, floating jetty in the water, and there is also this jetty over here to enter the beach as such. So yeah, it's a wonderful day, 21 degrees Celsius in the air and 21 degrees Celsius as well in the sea. So it's time for yet another beach adventure with Chris on this beach, the number 96 of my Sweden beach adventures. So this is the second episode for today, as I already made an episode earlier today during lunchtime at Lapis Beach in the central part of Stockholm. But the sun is up and let's go for a swim! Amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at the water. Let's then check out and jump from that diving platform in the middle of the sea. It is so nice and warm, 21 degrees Celsius. It's perfect. So currently it is 6:15 p.m. of course, and we're gonna have sun for about 4.5 more hours here in Stockholm. So yes, Grisslinge Beach is in Värmdö, and it is my second time this year here. I have been here 6 days ago, and voila, we are at the jumping platform here on the beach, that you can see from here as well. It has been cloudy, mostly cloudy earlier today, but now the sun is back, and that means we can explore the beauty over here. Look at that. So here we have a little bit of a closed water, so that's why it's a bit warmer than usual. So let's then take a dive from the jumping platform over here. That is 5 meters. It's use of meters here. Let's look at the beach from here as well. Amazing. Grisslinge Havsbad, Grisslinge Beach. Platform is left and right because of the strong wind that now is here. So, beach adventure with Chris. Are we ready to jump in into the beautiful Baltic Sea here at Grisslinge Havsbad? Alright, then let's go! That was amazing! That's amazing! Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so amazing. Can't believe I just jumped from up there. Look at that. It's beautiful. Grisslinge Havsbad, ladies and gentlemen. Cool. Then that's a wrap from my beach adventure here in Grisslinge once again. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me on this 17th of July 2024, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.